Serbia is very important country for us in terms of the commodity, not just for UAE, but for Serbia as well as for the world.
Što se Srbije tiče, to je veoma važna zemlja za nas, za robu koju ćemo proizvoditi, ne samo za Emirate, već za ceo svet.
I totally agree Serbia has been left behind in terms of technology, in terms of utilization of the land because of the soil they have.
Potpuno se slažem da Srbija ima veliki neiskorišćeni potencijal imajući u vidu kvalitet zemlje koje imamo.
But it's never too late.
Ali nikada nije kasno.
The population is increasing. The population, people are increasing.
Broj ljudi raste, nacija raste.
And the demand for agriculture and commodities is increasing.
I generalno u svetu, naravno, tražnja za hranom je sve veća i cena hrane je sve veća.
The country is, there are many natural resources, which is the real wealth in this country.
Postoje veliki prirodni resursi ove zemlje, to je veliko bogatstvo.
Water,
voda,
land,
zemlja
and people.
I ljudi.
And this is with the support that we will be contributing, I think we'll see the result very soon.
I vrlo brzo ćete uz našu podršku i naše investicije videti rezultat iskorišćenosti ovih resursa.
You have the land, you have the soil, you have the water, and we have the money.
Vi imate zemlju, imate vodu, mi imamo novac.
And the market is there.
A tržište postoji.
And this is, I think, a right combination.
I ovo, ja mislim, prava kombinacija za uspeh.
As you said, you have the three elements and we have the one element. Three elements is the water and three.
Okay, mi imamo, znači, tri elementa, oni imaju taj jedan nedostajući.
One very important fact nobody knows, that the Serbian will benefit 85% of the investment that will put, not just 80-20.
I još jedan veoma važan podatak da će Srbija imati korist ne samo učešću 80-20 u zajedničkoj kompaniji, bit će ta korist 85%.
And how that will happen?
A kako će se to desiti?
Because from the working capital or the investment that we will put, 85% will go to the farmers, to the land, to the machinery, to the truckers, to the port authority, to the job creation, as well as to the export and the forex exchange.
Zato što će najveći deo investicija koje budemo investirali obrtni kapital otići ljudima u zemlji, farmerima, ljudima koji se bave logistikom, ljudima koji se bave isporukom opreme, tako da će korist za Srbiju biti mnogo veća. Otvaranje novih radnih mesta u fabrikama.